a song of mine called The Birds Would Understand.
Your hand and not let go. If I were a sailor far from land, I'd drop my anchor just to see if I can. But I know you won't, but the birds will understand. On the run, but I know you won't, but the birds will understand. Root that mountain, I root it